What's going on, guys? I'm back with another Pro Tools tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about using delay and reverb sends with your vocals. I'm going to be going through it pretty fast, so just make sure you're following along step by step and using the pause button to catch up. First thing you want to do is make sure you see this sends tab right here. If you don't, you're going to go into this drop down menu and check sends A through E. Once that's checked, we're going to create two new tracks by going to track, hitting new, and creating two stereo aux inputs. After you hit create, you're going to see two tracks pop up, which I already have. Yours are going to say aux 1 and aux 2. So you're going to want to double click it and change it to delay and reverb. You're going to change one to delay and one to reverb. Once you have that, you're going to go into wherever your vocals are, like wherever you're using effects, which for me is in this bus. But if you're not using a bus, you're just going to go directly on the vocal track itself. By the way, I highly recommend buses, and if you don't know about them, make sure to check out my other tutorial where I briefly discuss them and show you how to make them. Let's say you weren't using a bus. You're going to go to this sends section on your vocal track, and on send A, you're going to click it, click track, and click delay. Since I am using a bus, I'm just going to do it right here. Send it to delay. Make another one on the B, where it says B right here. Make another one and send it to the reverb. Now on your delay track, you are going to add a delay plugin of your choice. Same thing on your reverb. You're going to add a reverb plugin of your choice. Make sure that the knobs are set on the delay and reverb. Make sure the knobs are set all the way to 100, because if not, you're going to be hearing two copies of your vocal, which is not good. We want to hear the effect only, which means the effect only from copy 2. If that's confusing, just ignore it and make sure that this knob is set all the way to 100. Once you have that, you can click this button, which is the delay send, and you can adjust this fader, which will be adjusting the level that we're sending into the delay plugin. Let's give it a listen. As you heard, when I was messing with the fader, the level of the delay was going up and down. That makes it really easy as opposed to going in the plugin itself and adjusting these knobs to make it sound the way you want, to make it sound at the level you want. Instead, we can just adjust the level here. This also makes it easier for automation, which I'll make another tutorial on in the near future. The last thing you want to make sure you're doing with delays is having the correct tempo. Because let's say I had the wrong tempo. We'll use 110 as an example. Your delay is going to be off beat. As you heard, that was not good. And if you don't know the tempo of your beat, an easy way to do it is just by going on Google, typing in tap tempo, playing the beat, and tapping along. All I did was literally tap my spacebar along to the beat of the song, and as you can see, it gave me an average of 139.93, which is actually just 140, which is correct. Once you have that, make sure in this window, which if you can't see, make sure this all button is selected under this drop down menu. You're going to click the number, whatever it is, and you're going to change it to 140 or whatever the tempo of your song is, and hit enter. Now on your delay, you're going to see that it's set correctly now. It's at 140, and your delays are going to be on time. So that's about it, guys. Also, you do the same thing with reverb. You just mess with this fader. I'll let you guys hear it.
Got me like a mirror showing the best parts of you.
That's literally it. It's really simple. It makes it way easier to just quickly and easily adjust the level of your sends, whatever it is. You can also send things like doubler plugins or distortion plugins, but delays and reverbs are a must to be sent. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more content, and drop a comment down below if this helped you or if you have any suggestions for what video I should make next. I'll see you guys next time.